Strong step, novel coronavirus, SARS-CoV-2 multiplex real-time PCR kit, detection for 3 genes. The kit contains components including a certificate, an instruction book, a tube of freeze-dried positive quality control products, and 12 freeze-dried PCR reagents. Split open the bag. Open the 8-strip tubes. Add 13 microliter injection water per person to each SARS-CoV-2 RT quantitative PCR reagent tube. Close the cap lightly. Vortex and centrifuge for 30 seconds at 3000 revolutions per minute. The treatment of novel coronavirus specimens should be carried out by personnel trained in the relevant technical and safety procedures in an experimental environment conforming to the biosafety level. Add 5 microliter of the following into the appropriate wells according to your setup. Samples. 2. PCT, resuspended in 50 microliter water for injection. Vortex to mix. 3. NEC. 4. No template control, optional. Add water for injection as template. Close the cap lightly. Seal the tubes with new PCR caps, vortex, and centrifuge for 30 seconds at 3000 revolutions per minute. Programming the real-time PCR instrument.